Hello everyone, welcome to NR Bioscience Academy. I hope all of you are doing well. In our previous class, we learned about chemical reactions, physical change, chemical change, and the characteristics of chemical reactions. যদি আপোনালোকে পাৰ্ট 1 এতিয়াও চোৱা নাই তেন্তে প্ৰথমে সেই ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ল'ব কাৰণ আজিৰ টপিকটো পাৰ্ট 1 ৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি আগবাঢ়িব। Today's topic is writing chemical equations. আজিৰ ক্লাছত আমি শিকিম why do we use chemical equations? What is a chemical equation? Word equation, reactants and products, and meaning of the reaction arrow. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Now, let's think about something. Suppose every scientist writes every reaction in long sentences. For example, magnesium burns in oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Imagine writing thousands of such reactions. Wouldn't it take a lot of time? ঠিক সেই কারণে সায়েন্টিস্টে কেমিক্যাল ইকুয়েশনসের ব্যবহার করে। Instead of writing a long sentence, they simply write Mg plus O2 produces MgO. এটু খৰু সহজ আৰু সকলো দেশৰ সায়েন্টিস্টে বুজি পায় because chemical symbols are universal. Now, can you tell me one advantage of chemical equations? The answer is they save time, reduce confusion, and make scientific communication easy. Now let's understand the definition. A chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction using chemical symbols and chemical formula. এই ডেফিনেশনটো বোর্ড এক্সামৰ বাবে খুবই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট। অৰ্থাৎ আমি যদি কোনো কেমিক্যাল ৰিয়েকশ্যনক কেমিক্যাল চিম্বলছ আৰু কেমিক্যাল ফৰ্মুলা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি লিখোঁ তেন্তে তাক কেমিক্যাল ইকুৱেশ্যনছ অৰ্থাৎ ৰাসায়নিক সমীকৰণ বুলি কোৱা হয়। Look at the diagram. Reactants undergo a chemical reaction and finally produce products. এই ফ্লো ডায়াগ্ৰামটোৱে কেমিক্যাল ইকুৱেশ্যনছৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ মিনিং সহজকৈ বুজাই দিয়ে। Before writing a chemical equation, we first write a word equation. A word equation uses the names of substances. For example, magnesium plus oxygen produces magnesium oxide. ইয়াত আমি কোনো সিম্বল ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা নাই, আমি কেৱল পদাৰ্থৰ নাম লিখিছোঁ, সেইবাবে ইয়াক word equation বুলি কোৱা হয়। Now, can you write the word equation for the formation of water? The answer is hydrogen plus oxygen produces water. Now let's convert the word equation into a chemical equation. Instead of writing names, we use chemical symbols. Like for magnesium, it's Mg, and for oxygen, in the reaction it will be O2. And for magnesium oxide, it will be MgO. So our chemical equation becomes Mg plus O2 produces MgO. দেখিবলৈ কিমান সহজ আৰু সাইন্টিফিক লাগিছে নহয়নে? Always remember, word equation uses names. Chemical equation uses symbols and formula. Let's understand the different parts of a chemical equation. Everything on the left side is called the reactants, and everything on the right side is called the products. And the arrow means produces or yield. এই এরোটোৱে দেখুৱাই যে reactants reaction কৰি product গঠন কৰিছে। Now answer this. In the equation, Zn plus HCl produces ZnCl2 plus H2. Now, who are the reactants? The answer is zinc and hydrochloric acid. And what are the products? The answer is zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Students usually make one common mistake. They directly start balancing equation. Never do that. Always follow these 3 steps. Step 1, write the word equation. Then in step 2, convert it into a chemical equation. Then in the last, step 3, balance the equation. এই 3টা step follow কৰিলে balancing বহুত সহজ হৈ যায়। Before ending today's class, here is your homework. Question number 1, define a chemical equation. Question number 2, write the chemical equations for hydrogen plus oxygen produces water. And in the last, question number 3, identify the reactants and products in Zn plus HCl produces ZnCl2 plus H2. That's all for today's class. I hope today's lesson helped you understand chemical equations in a simple and interesting way. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, leave your doubts in the comment section, and subscribe to NR Bioscience Academy. In the next part, we will learn one of the most important topic of this chapter, balancing of chemical equations. আমি সহজ ট্ৰিক আৰু বহুতো এক্সাম্পলৰ সহায়ত বেলেঞ্চিং অফ কেমিকেল ইকুৱেশ্যন ষ্টেপ বাই ষ্টেপ শিকিম। So don't miss the next class. Thank you for watching. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring science.